Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time coming here, we say very big welcome my people, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you to see more of our video whenever we upload new video. And don't forget to go to our Instagram, our social media handle is at Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Also on Facebook as well and TikTok. Just check us. We did there, we did do the good thing. Now I will tell you now another thing again when I want to make you know if case maybe you want us to train you, you want to register because all this group registration when they do, they pay 2535 and all that. Now they make una know they get the right thing. You go do product, you not go work after you go say, oh, maybe the person don't teach me, they teach you what they know because now wait till they learn for YouTube too, now make them they also collect those 25. But if you want to know this thing, I'll tell you, register with our school, our college. You understand? We train via video. We train you via video call, either Zoom or WhatsApp or Facebook, wherever, irrespective of where you are, US, UK, Europe, Asia country, or in Nigeria here also. For our one-on-one class also, that one day, you can still come. So, or you won't buy all these things then, you want to buy original one, call at us, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Now we sell you original one because when you buy fake product, it not go work. When you sell for your customers, they complain. You see? So call us for original. And which I will tell you again, if you want to buy for wholesale price, if you want to buy plenty, make you the rebrand for yourself, fine. That is a very good idea. You can do all that as well. But what you just need to do, just copy the number and begin to call us or shout us. Now later on, and that's me, you're not gonna disturb me. So in a quick one, you see all this product on this table now. We want to check the one when it is white most. The one in the white most. For most of us, they will be thinking maybe they say this product, this magic potion, this one I shown as well. Some will say maybe as the same magic potion, so you will just get magic color. No, brother. It's one shade, and a constant usage is one shade. How about this K brothers? It's one shade and a constant usage. What about this gluta white? It's one shade and a constant usage. What about this glutathione? They all work. It's one shade they will give you. You understand? And a constant usage. But is that what you want? I know my people now. I know my people. I know so I need something sharp. Yes. Something sharp. That's why I don't show now before this Obunge, this Obunge body wash, this Caribbean body wash. I don't show now before. It's not day two. It's not. You know where we get our product? We travel out to get, and we get them in large quantity. Are you getting it? So in terms of drums, so like you need all these things. These are whitening products. 7 days. They see this photo, this lady. They see this photo. These are testimony. They see the picture. Yes, confirm. Yes, original one. These are the things they use. They use our product. Are you getting it? These are the things you need. Not be saying you gonna do like you need good results. So you will get the real product. So get this product. We get oils then. You see this oil and I want to show you too. So fine. You see? Shake the oil. This is not oil, citrus oil. All you just need to do is shake it together. And you can use it in your lotion, in your soap, in your shower gel. You can use it in any of your product. Only what you know if you use that, you know if you drink them. And make you no go drink them more. But these are right product I will want you to use. Give a try. Always give a try. you will see that result. You know, see how that get it white. Now our product she dey use. At first she was a bit skeptical. Go see a review for my Instagram. She was a bit skeptical. I know there's no need for me to go say I want to carry model or carry celebrity. No, there's no need. Your product will sell you out there. If you want it to work slow, we customize for you. If you want it to work sharp, we customize for you. If you want us to train you, because we definitely do the training with you via video call or physical. All you just need to do just register with our college. That's all. Nothing more. Okay? So if you want to buy in a wholesale price, you can chat us. We will always give you in a wholesale price also when you want to buy plenty. So irrespective of wherever you are, we will ship them to you. US, UK, Canada, Asia country, or even Nigeria, but we ship them to you. We remain Hustle Global. Keep it glued with us. Don't touch the door on a die. So stay tuned, please, till we come your way next time. Bye bye.